To start our program, if Allah says, and I want to start with Ayan to read for us a word of prayer. Ayan, welcome.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وما بينهما وما تحت الثرى وإن تجهر بالقول فإنه يعلم السر وأخفى الله لا إله إلا هو له الأسماء الحسنى وهل أتاك حديث موسى إذ رأى نارا فقال لأهلهم كثوا إني آنست نارا لعلي آتيكم منها بخبس أو أجد على النار هدى فلما أتاها نودي يا موسى إني أنا ربك فاخلع عليك إنك بالوادي المقدس طوى وأنا اخترتك فاستمع لما يوحى إنني أنا الله لا إله إلا أنا فاعبدني وأقم الصلاة لذكري إن الساعة آتية أكاد أخفيها لتجزى كل نفس بما تسعى فلا يسدنك عنها من لا يؤمن بها واتبع هواه فتردى وما تلك بيمينك يا موسى قال هي عصاي أتوكأ عليها وأهش بها على غنمي ولي فيها مآرب أخرى قال ألقها يا موسى فألقاها فإذا هي حية تسعى قال خذها ولا تخف سنعيدها سيرتها الأولى واضمم يدك إلى جناحك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء آية أخرى لنريك من آياتنا الكبرى اذهب إلى فرعون إنه طغى.
English language was initially the national language of England. Later, as a result of British colonies, the language was introduced to many nations. Eventually, it becomes the primary and second language of the British colonies. Today, near 67 countries all over the world have declared that English as their official language. Therefore, we can declare that English language as one of the most dominant languages in the world. English language is the key of opening the door to the world. The knowledge of English language helps everyone to attain personal and professional growth. As a result, people all over the world have started to learn English language as their second language. English language is used as a medium of instruction in schools and colleges to bring a common structure of English language. Is considered one of the most impactful soft skills required for an employee. English language helps us understand different nations' culture. A piece of good knowledge in English language guides us to travel to many new nations with the support of good understanding, increase the chances of setting good character. Eventually, the impact brought by English language to our lives are boundless. Let's raise the true potential of English language and remember the wisdom that says it. Knowledge is the doorway to wisdom. The speech is all about speaking English. and actually it was captivating and attractive speech, and it is my favorite speech. I don't want to prolong the speech and my talking, although time is not on our side, time is against us. So I would like to welcome the next students who will take a conversation, Marian and Abdulaziz. Welcome to the stage, inshallah.
First of all, I'm thanking by God who granted me this drastic opportunity, who granted me this power to stand in front of you without feeling any fear. And also by thanking my teachers for their exemplary work they did forward reforming this drastically and extremely wonderful, colorful occasion. And also I'm saying them, thank you very much. May God bless. And also I wanted to welcome, or I wanted to approach our guests, like our teachers and our part of our parents. And also I'm saying them, welcome with open hearts. And also by thanking my fellow pupils who give me your part of your precious time, and also by thanking and also Almighty Allah. And also you guys, I'm saying, may God bless and break our light. So we are going to break the ice.
Beloved teachers and fellow students, good evening. I hope you are all fine. I thank Almighty Allah for the grant of witness this day.
Good evening, my lovely queen.
Evening to you, my king. How's your day?
Everything is well, but just miss your voice.
Are you sure?
Of course.
You never called me last night.
Oh, sorry, my dear, but I do apologize. I came late, home late while I was tired, and I felt, and I went to a bed directly and fell asleep.
I was waiting your call the whole day, and you just decided to fall asleep without saying good night.
Oh, my queen. Oh, my queen. I do apologize, my dear queen.
No problem, dear. What time you are going for the work today?
I woke up recently, but right now I wanted to prepare myself.
Okay, that sounds good.
When will you be going to the university?
We have prepared our final exam.
I wish you good luck for your exam.
Thanks.
As well, my dear queen.
Actually, that conversation was a great and marvelous. They have marvelous work. So I would like to appreciate them.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am very much honored to stand in front of you to bring forward a topic about a teacher, which I think is appropriate on this colorful occasion. My topic won't be long-winded, it will be short, pleasant to your ears. Therefore, I am sincerely appealing you to give me your ears. First of all, being a teacher is very difficult. Meanwhile, teaching needs braveness and dedication. It is all about preparing and knowing what you need to deliver. A teacher is the doctor of the mind. A teacher is someone whose main task is to remove ignorance from the mind. Learners, he ignites the brain of the human being. A teacher liberates ignorance and illiteracy from his community. The development of every society depends on how well its people are educated. A teacher is assist to the nationally. Thank you all.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Meet you too.
It's a great opportunity to stand in front of you and introduce myself. My name is Saeed Guhat Muhammad, and I'm from Ethiopia. I was born and bred in Jigjiga, Ethiopia. I'm a Somali citizen. I came to Kenya 1 year ago. I joined this private 10 months ago. I am very happy to be here because I gained a lot of knowledge and skills. So when I was joined to this private school, I could not read, write, and speak, but now I can speak well. I appreciate it for my teacher. Before I start my speech, I would like to commence in the name of Allah, the most compassionate and the most merciful, the giver and the tag of life. After that, I'm greeting all of you, gentlemen and ladies, and also my best teacher who teaches me English correctly and perfectly. So I'm greeting you, the best and the most precious in the world that Allah upon you. I'm very glad to stand in front of you, of these beautiful and attractive faces. So I don't want you to prolong my speech, but first thanks for your listening and your precious time that you give me. So listen to me, all of you. Good afternoon, everyone. Again, my name is Saeed Muhammad. I'm a student of British Academy, and I'm here today to talk about the topic of leadership. Leadership is a crucial aspect of our life. It's in our personal relationships, community, or in the workplace. As students, we have the opportunity to develop and refine our leadership skills, which will serve us well in the future. In conclusion, leadership is a vital quality that every person should strive to develop. It is not just about having a position. A position of authority, but about inspiring and guiding others towards a common goal. Through our actions and leadership, we can leave a positive impact on the world and make it a better place for future generations. Thank you so much, all of you. I appreciate for listening.
Thank you very much. I can't thank you enough. Doing well. Yes.
First and foremost, let me thank the Almighty God who given me this great opportunity to stand ahead of you. So my name is Jama Awais Guhat. Speech about hard work. As you know that hard work is an essential thing that all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without hard working. As you know that we wish to sit and wait something else without hard working. So if someone can't hard work, he can't appreciate his goals and achieve much. So I appreciate everyone to succeed in life with betterment and hard working education. This shows that everyone great, he might be thinking one night, and no one great unless he has to hard work. So everyone, there is so many challenges that someone can face. So the circumstance that someone can face that not no longer to be a hard worker. So I want to say that everyone, and I appreciate everyone to achieve his goals. So the determination and focus for the concentration is actually success. It's not just someone being famous and rich, because never come something with silver spoon. So there is an adage say that Rome wasn't built in a day. Everything which is valuable must be hardworking people. So I want to thank those parents who came together this session, my brothers and sisters and colleagues, and our teachers who have prolonged to achieve our goals. So thank you, everyone. Thank you.
And first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome our, our educators here, our teachers, colleagues. Previously, we used to work together. Up to now, Walimu, feel free. You're welcome. We are very much happy very much glad and impressed to see you here. Actually, your presence matters a lot for us. Are we together? So our also beloved parents here who really take care of our teachers. I mean, our children at home. Our dear parents, you're welcome here. This is your private institution and these are your children. We are very proud of you. أيضا يكون فرحنا والدينا إن أنت ما تاني مين وهذا أنا ما أنت لغة كهرتان. وحنا also إن كيف هذه فرصة مرة الصومالي أنا فسرها معلمين كهسودوي سوى ناكسن هذا فرحنا إن أنا كنوجو كان إذا كان سلوك له. Actually, once again, I would like to also thirdly thank our students of this institution. This is what you call prestige. Prestige, the word prestige, school can make it prestige. And prestige means a very beautiful, amazing, attractive, and wonderful environment where we actually don't differentiate people, regardless of their color, whosoever they are, family backgrounds, everything. We welcome people here. Whoever, we don't consider where you come from. We just consider your personality, structure, and who you are. So kindly, this is an institution that actually welcomes everybody here. We don't separate people. We don't regard whether you are from a well-to-do family or where you are from a poor family. Here we welcome everybody here. So we request you, inshallah, in our كفاية فرصة نايدة وعنكم بحنا اللغة إنجليزكا. ماشي وعنكم بحنا English and Kiswahili as well as mathematics. Basically, any other day or students from primary or secondary or problem one with a specific language. Basically, like in our first priority is to make sure students speak English fluently without asking for interpretation independently. So we are saying this is a great opportunity that we actually offer to the refugee camps here, particularly the Gahali refugee camp. A great and a wonderful and unique opportunity for everybody here. So I'm saying, guys, take advantage of this. Wallahi, actually, the student who was speaking here ahead of me, I'm from Ethiopia. When I was joining this private institution, I could not read and write. APC. 1 year complete. Now we can speak English fluently, independently. Interpretation mabana. Adu garan luqada. Kiswahili as well as. Wanin an ABC on bilab. State below roughly 9 months or 1 year or under Mesrin. So kindly I request you to take advantage of this opportunity. And we don't judge a lot of money here. Are we together? If you are very hardworking, we like you people. But what we don't like here, what we don't consider, what we don't prioritize is those students who are true one. Students who don't attend classes, we don't like them actually. If we see you don't attend class for 2 consecutive days or 3, we don't see you, don't want to see you guys here. Almost 9 months and he can speak English right now. Imagine now he's too young and speak English fluently. And I'm very proud of him actually. He's a good friend of mine actually. So I mention English within a few months, 1 month English family I have to go right now. The next day I saw English actually. I myself right now is standing in front of you. I am a student. I study English language online programs. Degree programs online English program. So English is just a language that actually fluctuates every now and then. Guys, for you guys to improve your speaking skills, communication, reading, everything, blah blah, make sure you join our school. We give you first priority. We offer you quality services. I expect you guys to join us and actually come and travel with us, inshallah. Inshallah, we are going to reach our destination very soon. waxaan rabaa inaan sheego waqtiina ku dheeraada marabi waxaan qaybinay ID students for the students, and this is very unique uniform for the students. Basically ardayda iskuulkan dhigato waxaan ka codsanaynaa qof walba inuu ID-giisa isticmaalo when you are joining, when you are coming, entering to that gate. waalidiintan waxaan sheegaynaa ilmaha inay usoo dhiibaan ID-ga inay isticmaalaan markay private ka aadaan, because waxyaabo badan uu ka caawinaa personal identification. qofka inuu arday yahay wax walba ku dhici karo, habeenkii booliiska qabani karo. You cannot be arrested with your ID officially while you are from the institution. Otherwise waxaan aad ugu faraxsanahay inaan fursadan ka faa'iideysto inta nooga furtoodan soo istaago actually aan idin brief gareeyo. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and giving me your ears. Are we together? Thank you so much and enjoy your team.
Peace of Allah be upon you. Good evening, everyone. I'm called Yasmin Noor. Today it's a great honor for me to appear. I want to present a speech about courtesy. Courtesy is a polite way of behaving according to accepted rules of social behaviors. And a cautious person is one who always is always polite and pleasant to others, and the one who treats people with kindness and has good manners. It is important for us to be cautious because courtesy develops our personality and builds our characters. It makes us biased and kind-hearted. If we transform our personal characters and become cautious, we can simply become true Muslim and good citizen. When we desire to talk to people, we should talk to them kindly and politely in order to create a peaceful and happy atmosphere. Therefore, through courtesy, we can reform and transform our society. Thank you a lot.
My name is Abdulnoor Ahmed. A poem about plant. I love my plant, I love my plant. I water my plant, I finish my plant. In the evening, I water my plant. No one can break my plant. I love my plant, I love my plant.
Great, MashaAllah. Rahman Gurhan, welcome to the stage.
Jina langu anaitwa Anfa Abdurrahman Gurhan. Ninapenda kusalamia salamu bora kuliko salamu zote duniani. Leo anataka kupendekeza shairi. Ukimwi ugonjwa mbaya wamaliza wanadamu. Ni kwa nini huna haya unayonya watu damu? Pesa ulimwengu usihadi magharibi. Unaua kwa ujungu mbona hata mabibi. Ukimwi huna huruma ondoka ende borini. Umetuaja yatima wazazi makaburini. Ndugu naeleza ugonjwa hunizimi. Sijaribu kujizea jihadari na ukimwi.
Assalamu alaikum all of you.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Mimi ninaitwa Usama Hussein, na umri wa miaka 13. Ninasoma shule ya Barani Academy. Niko darasa la 3. Mimi hupenda kusoma Kiswahili. Kiswahili ni lugha ya mbesi. Mungu akasema ninataka kuwa daktari. Asanteni.
Asante sana kwa kutupa ujumbe kuhusu wewe mwenyewe.
Alhamdulillah wa thanau lillah wal 'azamatu lillah wal kibriya'u lillah. القول قوله والحكم حكمه يفعل الله ما يشاء ويحكم ما يريد لا راد لقضائه ولا مانع لإعطائه ولا تغير لصفاته ألا له الخلق والأمر تبارك الله أحسن الخالقين. الحمد لله ثم الحمد لله. وإن السلام يا دمانتين والدينتا كسقف جلاسي والدينتا أرضيدا يوم معلمين تكلوا إلى السعودية معلمين إلى السعودية مرك أنا تلي أنا وهذا لبا كلمة مبارو أنا كسوق جبجبيه waxbarashada soo sheegay maaragtay macalinka horta waa muhiim in qofku wax barto waxay far badan uga badbaadiya waatan arkaysaan rasuulka kaleey salaatu salaam markii wax la baray waatii ikhra looga bilaabay laakiin kasto nabiga mucjizooyin far badan ay ku jireen asoo waligiis wax qorin oo maaragtay wax kasta ka hadlay marka taa mucjizo gaarkeeda leedahay oo rabbaani ah laakiin in wax la barto wax meesha ku jira sababtoo ah hadaan ay Soomaali oo halkan aan joogno waddankeena aad baan u soo fognahay meel waxaan joognaa maaragtay oo bahgooye oo qaxootiye oo xabsi kor ka furan say sheegan laakiin dad badan ku aflahay oo wax ku barta aniga la hadlayo halkan waxay maadano 9 jir 9 sano jir markay imaanay marka ma sha Allah waxaan ku bartay hadda ilmaan ku dhalay marka wax la noqonay lama garanayo dadweynaha laakiin muhiimaddu weyn oo la haysto waxa way ubadka haysano inay wax bartaan marka waxa idin ku boorinayaa waalidka iyo dadka kale meesha jooga in ilmihiina u soo dirtaan waxbarashada si macalinku uu sheegay halkan wax isugu jirtaa oo dhaay maadi iyo diini marka diiniga laga maarmo maadiga laga maarmo labadu waa in la isku wado oo wax la barto sifa maaragta uga baxno dhibabka jira dadweynaha marka intaas ku soo gabagabeynaya wassalaamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All thanks and praise is for Allah who allowed me to stand in front of you and speak after that. I am greeting you with the best greeting. My peace and Allah's blessing be upon you all. I would like to appreciate to my dear teacher who taught me this international language. First of all, to stand in front of the student is very difficult. Meanwhile, it needs braveness and dedication. Therefore, I am sincerely appealing you to give me your ears. My brothers and sisters, I am a young refugee who fled from her country because of civil war. I think you are aware what is happening in our country, Somalia. Nowadays, there is conflict, misunderstanding, terrorism among Somalis people. People are killing themselves, and that one is caused ignorance. As you know, ignorance is the enemy of life. It is what made us homeless and destroyed our motherland. So let's know why we are here. You have to aim for something great. You ought to have a vision for your life. Few years down the line, where you want to be. Your action will be defining whether you will remain in the same place or make straight and shine. They say hard work never goes unrewarded. It is only you who truly understand where you want to be. Once you are developed a powerful vision and work towards it, your success is guaranteed. I don't want to prolong my speech. I am saying to everyone, good luck.
Hello everyone, I am called Najib Abdul Umar. Today I want to present a speech about learning. But before I start my speech, let me begin in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. All thanks and the praise is for Allah, and the praise is for Allah who has allowed me to stand in front of you and speak. After that, I am greeting you with the best Islamic greeting. May peace and Allah's blessing be upon you all. I am very glad to stand in front of these honorable teachers and students and honor justice who are gathered here since it is my first time to stand ahead of you. So today I want to say a few words about learning English. So listen to me carefully. As you know, there are many different languages in the world, but English is the most important language. Really, some people don't know that they can learn English very well, and the four ways are speaking, reading, or writing, and listening. So I'm advising you to speak English when you are in the class or out of the class, and even when you are at home. Because speaking is the best way that you can learn English very well. There is a proverb of Somali which says that if you don't sweet from the hand, you will sweet from the bed. I don't want to prolong my speech, so I'm saying to you goodbye. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
I greet you the greeting Islam which says peace of Allah be upon you. After that, let me thank to the Almighty Allah who permitted me to stand this heterogeneous face, included boys and girls. After that, today I want to present a speech about mother. In today's world, which is full of competitions, you will find only one person who will always wish the best for you, your mom. She is someone who only wants what is better for her child, will never break the trust of growing up. We never have many friends, but a mom becomes our first friend. We can share everything with her and trust her to keep our secrets. Moreover, she always gives us confidence because for her support, no matter how old one gets. They never stop needing, but no one can take the place of mom. Everyone loves spending time with their friends because when we can share everything with them. Most importantly, they never judge us for anything similarly. But my first friend is my mom, that who taught me to walk, to eat, and everything that I can do now, and even how I can express myself. First of all, and that my name is Muhammad Hassan Ibrahim. Thank you all.
Thank you. Because of time, I would like
Praise is due to the glory of Allah, useless and the capacity can be compared with anything else. The one who has put up the sky without rank, the one who enters self with his command is the narration and the killer, the most benevolent, merciful. I'm greeting you the best greeting in the world. A peace of Allah be upon you. Thank you to all of them. I started our topic about discipline. The school administration, teachers, guests of honor, my fellow publics and integral good afternoon. I am very glad to present my speech. I will in front of this big gathering consists of ladies and gentlemen. In my speech, I would like to prove about the subject discipline. Discipline is the link between goals and success. Discipline is something keeps every person control it. Motivate a person to progress in life. Some people consider discipline parties of their life and some don't. Without discipline, the life of individual become dull and negative. Discipline is very necessary tool for a person in every work of life, whether at home or outside. Indiscipline causes confusion and choice in life. Whether this discipline causes peace and harmony. I would like to conclude my speech by saying discipline is very much important. Thank you all.
Thank you.
My name is Zakaria. Today I want to present about myself, but before I start my speech, let me start in the name of Allah. I am a new student to this brevet. I am here to tell you about myself. I am from Somalia, but now I live in Block B5. I live with my mom, dad, and brother. My brother is 5 years young than me. Education is very important to all of us. I like to read and write. I also play football, and I like to be a teacher in future. Thank you for listening the short story about myself. Thank you of all.
Hello, good afternoon. Today I am here to present a speech importance of education. Education play a very important role in everyone. It's a life education. Education a basic human rights, provided freedom and empowerment to everyone make. And empowerment to everyone make it provides as a good career, good lifestyle, and a good status. Education boosts economic and promotes peace, harmony, also education.
waqti ugu dhamaado time soo dhan side everybody please stand waxaan idin codsanayaa inaan naxariis wanaagsan oo qiimo badan aan banaanka uga baxno markaan meesha ka baxayno intaas ka hor waxaan rabaa inaan idiin sheego fadlan in aad ku dadaashaan inaad ku soo biirtaan waxbarashadan tayada leh oo u wanaagsan qof walba inuu dhisi karo luqadiisa iyo waxbarashadiisa dhan waayo because English waa medium of instruction wax walba oo baxaya wax lagu barto wuxuu ku baxaa luqada Ingiriiska so kindly I request you guys inaad juhdi gelisaan struggle a lot and then join this prestigious institution known as Prestige Tuition School. So otherwise have a good evening, enjoy your dreams. Intaan ka qayb qaadanayna insha Allah mar kale. Thank you so much.